Hello YouTube. I have a rather dramatic demonstration for you. So in this experiment we're going to be looking at different sparks, and so we have a 15,000 volt transformer connected to a variac, and we have two leads, and it's about 19 millimeter gap there between the two leads. So I'm going to run the experiment with these two leads, and we'll look at the spark, and then afterwards we're going to run the spark in this. And what this is it's two very powerful neodymium magnets. They're about 300 pound pull force on each of them, and in the middle I have a little window so we can see what's going on. And there's you know, the electrodes are inside this construct, so we will see the effect that the permanent magnets will have on the spark, and the two magnets are in attraction mode. So okay, here we go. So this is the beginning spark, so you get a reference point. So I'm actually copying an experiment that MrAnguswangus had posted. I'm just using more powerful magnets. So okay, so we're about 91, 92 on the variac, and here's the spark, so you can see what it looks like. That's a typical spark that you would get for 15,000 volts, okay? Nothing really exciting there. So okay, let's turn it off. So now let's hook up this this construct that I have. And originally I was actually going to make a homopolar motor. That's why this thing has bearings on the ends. But what happened was, I'm digressing, but what happened was I couldn't, first of all, I couldn't center the hole in the disc, and then so the hole ends up being drilled slightly off center, and then I couldn't connect the stainless steel rod to it. So I'm repurposing this experiment for something else. Okay, so okay, let's try this with this construct here. See how the spark is affected. I'm shooting this in a single take, so people can't say, oh, you were editing, or you had a different voltage or whatever. So here we go. Okay, so these magnets are very dangerous, very powerful. Okay, here we go. I'm not gonna mess with anything. Okay. Let's see. So right now it's at 91. Let's bring it up a little bit higher. Okay. So I'm gonna bring it back down to 91. Okay. Look at the spark. It looks absolutely crazy. It's purple. It's about, I don't know, how many times the size that it was before. So as you can see, a strong magnetic field totally has an effect on electricity, a direct effect. Because around the magnet you have a vortex. So you have two vortices feeding into each other. So we don't really know what electricity is and how it is connected to magnetism exactly. So there's all kinds of theories out there, but none of the theories explain everything that is observed. Like how can you guys explain what's going on here? I'm just gonna be quiet and let you guys observe this effect. As you can see, it's crazy looking. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.